My name is Mark Ridgely, Director of Solenergy Group, and we're here at the Numinbah Environmental Education Centre. Yeah, so originally the system has always been off-grid, so there is no grid access. So there's no cables or wires because we're in a national park. The scope of work was to make sure that we could produce anywhere in the vicinity of around about 100 to 150 kilowatts a day at minimum, because that's what the site's maximum consumption is. Contesting with shade, critters, and lots of different, animals, and the debris is a huge one. Soiling to the panels, it's pretty chaotic. We're in an actual rainforest.
Mark is very focused on the technology of products that he sells when he installs and recommends to his customers. And for this site in particular, with the heavy shading and with it being an off-grid site, he needed a panel that could still continue to perform well under shady conditions, but he also needed a panel that was extremely efficient, so to ensure those batteries are charged on a daily basis.
So we've chosen the ABC module from AIKO Energy, which is all back contact technology, is because when the leaves or when the debris basically hits the panels, the electrons are actually able to go around those specific shaded areas, maximizing the yield and being able to produce a lot more energy from the sun. Even in the shortest of days with the heaviest soiling and the most amount of shading, the system produced around about 160 odd kilowatts.
We do see a lot of customers actually pairing SIG Energy with AIKO. Part of the reason is they're both very innovative and provide really good features. So for this site in particular being off-grid, obviously the high efficiency of the AIKO panels charges the batteries really quick, which is what you want.
AIKO's goal is for a carbon-free society, and here at Numinbah Valley Education Centre, there is a key focus on teaching children and the general public about being sustainable and reducing their carbon footprint in this world.